software, like in BIM software, see, if you are using Revit Architect, Revit Structure, or Revit MEP, they will show you some templates. Template means they have defined two templates for working in feet and inches and meters and millimeters and centimeters. So there is two templates. One is about imperial. It's called imperial. In imperial, we define units in feet and inches. And second one is metric. Metric means we work in millimeter, meter, kilometer, and centimeter. So we have two templates. So it asks you, so in which template you want to work. So see, I have installed. Just see, I have installed the Civil 3D 2018 metric version. Metric means because we calculated road in kilometers, meters, and millimeters. So that's why I am using already AutoCAD Civil 3D 2018 metric. So if you want to change that metric or imperial, you have options to select the templates. So this is called a templates. We have two templates in all BIM softwares. Either it's AutoCAD or either it's Revit software, either it's Civil 3D, you get two templates from it. So in each way template you want to work in imperial or in metric. Then see I have clicked. Just a minute, I just show you one more thing there. See, and this will display with some recent document. Recent means recent work it will display. What we have done in our last class or what we have last work will display here. Then we get notification here. Notification means a latest update or news from Autodesk. You will get when you sign in Autodesk website. So let's start. See, when I click on start drawing, okay, when you click on start drawing, so we get this environment here. Then see, we have this main application bar here. Main application means what? Main application means in main application when you click it now, so you get the again new options to open a new drawing sheet or sheet set. In sheet set you get again two templates there. Then we have open options. In open we have to open our last work or previous work. Then save as, export options to export drawing in any other formats like DXF, PDF, FBX file. Then we have publish option, printout option, suite workflow, and we have drawing utilities. Through drawing utilities, we compute the units, drawing settings, and drawing properties. Okay. Then see here, this is small. Then see this small tab here. It's called a quick access bar. Why we called a quick access bar? Because we have same options here to open new sheet, open previous work, save, print out, undo, and redo for back and forward. These two options. And for undo redo, we use short command also. Control Z for undo and Control Y for redo. And this is our workspace. Workspace means we get some working space here. See, now we are in Civil 3D, but if you want to use Civil 3D as a AutoCAD, if you want to plan any residential building or if you want to create any sections view, so you can convert this Civil 3D into AutoCAD easily. See, if I click on drafting annotation, now see this all tools. These all tools are using in Civil 3D, but if you want to convert this tool in AutoCAD, so just click on workspace and just click on draft and annotation. Now to see all the window will change according to AutoCAD, and we have all tools about AutoCAD software. See, we get all AutoCAD tools: line, polyline, circle, rectangle, layers, annotation. Okay, so this is a working space. So you can use this software for AutoCAD also, AutoCAD 3D also, AutoCAD Civil 3D also. If you want to do any 3D modeling for visualization of any residential house or apartment, just click here and convert this workspace in a 3D model. So when you select 3D model, you get all the tools about 3D modeling. See, these all tools are AutoCAD 3D modeling. But we are working in Civil 3D, so I just select again Civil 3D working space. Just click on Civil. So you can use Civil 3D as a for AutoCAD 3D modeling, or for AutoCAD drafting and drawing, or for Civil 3D also. So this is a multi-tasking software. Okay. Then see this bar, Autodesk AutoCAD Civil 3D 2018 Drawing 5.dwg. This is called a title bar. Title bar means our project's name, their location will display here. Suppose see, if I do Control S for save this project. Control S, I want to save this project. See, if I save this project, it will display as a drawing 5. So if I want to change the name, I just save as this project. I want to save it in 18. As a name, suppose session 1. See, it will display as a session 1 here. So it's a title bar. Then next you get a help desk. Help desk means, suppose if you want to know about any tools, just type here and it will show you from Autodesk website. Suppose I want to know about the points or surface. So suppose I just type here surface. I type here surface, enter. See, it will search helping desk. It will search on Autodesk website and it will show you all information about surfaces. About surface display, slope, arrow, elevation analysis, surface workflow, surface tutorial, surface best practice, product documentation, and here we have all the introduction about surface. So this is called a helping desk. It will give you the help about any tools. Then we have some options to subscribe this Autodesk website, but we are not doing because its subscription is very expensive. So the next, see, these are the menu bars: home, insert, annotate, modify, analyze, view, and these are the menu bars. And according to menu bar, see, this is called a ribbon bar. So when you select any menu bar options, so this ribbon bar will convert according to that menu bar. See, in home we get first platters, create a ground data, create a design, profile sections view, draw, modify, layer, and clipboard. And if you click on insert, so you get all tools about insert: import, infra work, block, reference, point cloud, data, link. If you click on annotation, so you get all the annotations tool for dimensioning, for texting, okay, for leader, for center marks, revision cloud. We get all options from menu bar. Modify, in modify you get all tools about modifications here. So this is called menu bar and this is called a ribbon bar. See, if sometime a ribbon bar is closed, see, if ribbon bar is closed, so how will we get that ribbon bar back? So we have to type here a short command RI, okay, for ribbon bar. If sometime by mistake if ribbon bar is closed, so you have to type here in command bar. This is called a command bar. RI enter. Okay, when you do RI enter, you get this ribbon bar back here. This is called command bar. And Civil 3D also work on command. What command you have give here, so it will work through a command. And see, if command bar is off sometime, if sometime by mistake command bar is off, so when you see, if I am going to off this, so it will show us some options here. To display command line window, again press Ctrl+9. See, if command bar is off, and so how will we get? Just press Ctrl+9. So we'll get that command bar again here. Okay, So this is our working space, and these are the two axes here, x and y axis in 2D, and this is our wheel axis. So it will display easting, northing, south, and west, all the four coordinate elevation here. And this is navigation bar. Navigation bar we use for pan, move, zoom, and zoom out. See, but see, you can use mouse cursor also for zoom in, zoom out, a center mouse cursor. This is our main toolbar. That is a tool space, is called a tool space. It will activate from here. The tool space options is there in ribbon bar. See, if you click here, toolbar will close. If you again click on it, so it will display. And in tool space, see, we have 4 tools like prospector. See, first prospector. In prospector, see the file name session 1, and in session 1 we have options to create point, import point, create point group, surface, alignment, feature line, alignment. So we have all these options here. Site. And in setting, see, in setting you get all the settings about the points, surfaces. If you click on points, so you get all information about points. See, point style, see this type of point style we have benchmark, pound, catch basic, drill hole. So these are the settings. All the settings about points, surfaces, alignment, sections. Then we have the next options for survey. Survey means if we have any field book, or if we have any total station survey, so you can easily import from here that survey data, and we connect that survey data and create a drawing with that point. Then we have toolbox here, last toolbox. In toolbox we generate a report of surfaces and point and road, rail, highways. We generate all the reports from. Okay. So I have already choose template as a metric. So the units are in metric, in meters here. So see how will we work. First I am going to give you an introduction about the point, because we have some manual points here. Before importing any points, we have to know about how to import the points. But see, working in Civil 3D, we need some survey points. See, I have some survey data here. I just show you in Excel. See, we need this type of survey details for working in Civil 3D. See, first we have the descriptions, point numbers. Okay, point numbers 1, 2, 3. Then we get the easting value. Easting means east side value, northing value. Then we have the elevation, point height. Then we have descriptions. Point descriptions means point name, like BLD. BLD means building. Okay, so these are the point surveys. We get these points after the survey with a theodolite or with any equipments. We'll do a survey. We get this type of points. Then we convert that point in Excel format. Then we import this point in Civil 3D and continue. But in Civil 3D we have some manual points also. So first we learn how to create manual points. So see, in points, when you click on points, you will get these options: point creation tool, create point by manual, miscellaneous, create